everyone, it's Mrs. Martinez. I'm going to do a quick intro on Google Drawings so you know how to get started and how to open a file, some of the basic functions. So I'm in my Gmail account right now. This is my email account. The first thing I'm going to do is go to my Google Drive. So this waffle grid up in the upper right corner. I'm going to click on it, and then these are all the icons I get. I'm going to navigate to this icon, click on it for my Google Drive. Now that I'm in my Google Drive, my computer is running really slow today, so bear with me. But now that I'm in my Google Drive, when this loads up, I'm going to click on New. Well, first you can see everything that I've been working on. I've got a whole bunch of files all over the place. Yours will probably be mostly empty unless you've worked in Google Drive before. But to get started on a new file, I'm going to click New. And then these are all the programs that Google offers. So Google Docs is like Microsoft Word. Google Sheets is like Excel. Google Slides is like PowerPoint. And when I click on More, these are the rest of the apps I have access to. Google Sites is the site where you can make a website. I use that in conjunction with my Google Classroom, and Google Drawings is what we'll be using today. So I'm going to go to New, More, and Google Drawings. When I click on Google Drawings, this is the document that's going to open up. Now, the great thing about using the Google Suite is everything you make in here, as soon as it's saved for the first time, it's saved. So everything that you do is automatically saved, and you can always access it by clicking on that My Drive icon. So it keeps all of your stuff in one place. So that's one of my favorite things about using Google Drawings. So now I'm in Google Drawings. When I double click on Untitled Drawing, that's going to allow me to rename my file. I always am going to use my first name and my last name, and then I choose an underscore and then project name. So whatever the project name is, you type that in there. When I click off to the side, you see that it's saving up here. As soon as it says save to drive, my file is there. So whenever I want my file, all I have to do is navigate back to my Google Drive, search for this title, and I can find it to turn it in or to work on it some more, whatever I need to do. So that was a really quick intro on how to get to Google Drawings and how to open a file and rename it in Google Drawings.